Start by understanding what a flowchart actually is. A flowchart is a type of diagram that visually represents a process, system, or workflow. It uses various shapes such as rectangles, diamonds, and arrows to show the steps and the order in which they occur. Flowcharts are widely used in business, engineering, education, and many other fields to simplify complex processes and make them easier to follow. By laying out each step visually, flowcharts help people quickly grasp how a process works from start to finish. This makes them an essential tool for communication and problem solving in both professional and everyday settings. Flowcharts have a rich history that dates back to the early 20th century. They were first introduced by industrial engineers Frank and Lillian Gilbreth in 1921 as a way to document process flows in manufacturing. Since then, flowcharts have evolved and are now used in a wide range of industries. Their primary purpose remains the same: to break down complex processes into simple visual steps. This historical context helps us appreciate why flowcharts are so effective. They were designed to make work easier and more efficient, and that goal still holds true today. Flowcharts are incredibly useful for a variety of reasons. They help clarify complicated processes, making it easier for everyone involved to understand what needs to be done. By visualizing each step, flowcharts can reveal inefficiencies, redundancies, or potential problems that might not be obvious otherwise. They also serve as a universal language, allowing people from different backgrounds or departments to communicate more effectively. Whether you're planning a project, troubleshooting an issue, or training new employees, flowcharts can make the process smoother and more transparent. Read or create a flowchart, it's important to understand the basic symbols used. The most common symbol is the rectangle, which represents a process or action. Diamonds indicate decision points where a yes or no answer leads to different paths. Ovals are used to show the start or end of a process. Arrows connect these shapes, showing the direction of flow from one step to the next. By combining these simple symbols, you can map out almost any process, no matter how complex it might seem at first. Flowcharts work by guiding you step by step through a process. Each shape represents a specific action, decision, or event, and the arrows show how you move from one step to the next. This visual approach makes it easy to spot where things might go wrong or where improvements can be made. By following the arrows, anyone can trace the entire process from beginning to end, ensuring nothing is missed and every detail is accounted for. There are several types of flowcharts, each designed for different purposes. The most common are process flowcharts, which map out the steps in a process. There are also workflow diagrams, which show how tasks move between people or departments, and data flow diagrams, which track how information moves through a system. Each type uses similar symbols but focuses on different aspects of a process, making flowcharts versatile tools for many situations. Process flowcharts are the most widely used type. They break down a process into individual steps, making it easy to see how each part fits together. These flowcharts are especially helpful for identifying bottlenecks or unnecessary steps. By mapping out the process visually, teams can collaborate more effectively and find ways to streamline their work. Workflow diagrams focus on how tasks move between people, teams, or departments. They're great for understanding who is responsible for each step and how information or materials are handed off. This type of flowchart is often used in business settings to improve efficiency and ensure everyone knows their role in the process. Data flow diagrams are used to show how information moves through a system. They're especially useful in software development and IT, where understanding the flow of data is crucial. These diagrams help teams design better systems by making sure data is handled correctly at every stage. Swimlane flowcharts divide the process into lanes, with each lane representing a person, team, or department. This makes it easy to see who is responsible for each step and how tasks move between different groups. Swimlane diagrams are especially helpful for complex processes that involve multiple people or teams. Flowcharts are used in a wide range of fields. In business, they help map out procedures and improve efficiency. In education, teachers use them to explain concepts or processes to students. Engineers and IT professionals rely on flowcharts to design systems and troubleshoot problems. No matter the industry, flowcharts help people visualize and improve the way things are done. Benefits of using flowcharts are numerous. They make complex processes easier to understand, help identify areas for improvement, and serve as a valuable training tool. Flowcharts also promote better communication among team members and can save time by preventing misunderstandings. By making processes visible, flowcharts empower teams to work smarter and more efficiently. While flowcharts are powerful tools, they do have some limitations. They can become complicated and hard to read if a process is very complex. Updating flowcharts can also be time-consuming, especially if changes happen frequently. Despite these challenges, the benefits usually outweigh the drawbacks, especially when flowcharts are kept simple and clear. Good flowchart design follows a few key principles. Keep it simple, use only as many symbols as necessary. Make sure the flow is logical and easy to follow from start to finish. Use clear labels for each step and avoid crossing lines whenever possible. These principles help ensure that your flowchart communicates its message effectively. Selecting the right symbols is crucial for creating a clear flowchart. Stick to standard shapes like rectangles, diamonds, and ovals, as these are universally understood. Using too many unique or custom symbols can confuse readers and make the chart harder to interpret. Consistency is key. Use the same symbols for the same types of steps throughout your flowchart. Each step in your flowchart should be labeled clearly and concisely. Use short, descriptive phrases that explain exactly what happens at that point in the process. Avoid jargon or technical terms unless your audience is familiar with them. Clear labels help everyone understand the process regardless of their background. Arrows are the glue that holds a flowchart together. They show the direction of flow from one step to the next. Make sure your arrows are clearly drawn and point in the right direction. Avoid crossing arrows or making the flow confusing. Well-placed arrows help readers follow the process without getting lost. Every flowchart should have a clear starting and ending point. These are usually shown with ovals labeled start and end. This helps readers know where the process begins and when it's complete. Without clear start and end points, a flowchart can be confusing and hard to follow. Decision points are a key part of many flowcharts. They're shown with diamond shapes and usually ask a yes or no question. Depending on the answer, the flowchart branches off in different directions. This makes it easy to see how different choices affect the outcome of a process. Connecting steps in a flowchart is all about making the process easy to follow. Use arrows to show the direction of flow and make sure each step connects logically to the next. If your flowchart is large, you can use connectors, small circles with letters or numbers, to link different parts of the chart. There are a few common mistakes to avoid when creating flowcharts. Don't overcrowd your chart with too many steps or symbols. Avoid crossing lines, as this can make the chart hard to read. Make sure every step is necessary and clearly labeled. By keeping your flowchart clean and simple, you'll make it much more effective. Today, there are many software tools available for creating flowcharts. These tools make it easy to drag and drop symbols, connect steps, and update your chart as needed. Popular options include Microsoft Visio, Lucidchart, and online diagramming tools. Using software can save time and help you create professional-looking flowcharts quickly. While software is convenient, you can also create flowcharts by hand. All you need is paper, a pencil, and a ruler. Hand-drawn flowcharts are great for brainstorming sessions or when you need to sketch out ideas quickly. Just remember to keep your symbols consistent and your lines neat for the best results. Flowcharting is often a team effort. Working together allows everyone to contribute their ideas and spot potential problems. Many software tools support real-time collaboration, so multiple people can work on the same flowchart at once. This makes it easier to build accurate, effective charts that reflect everyone's input. Flowcharts are powerful tools for problem solving. By mapping out a process, you can quickly identify where things are going wrong. This makes it easier to find solutions and prevent the same issues from happening again. Flowcharts also help teams communicate their ideas and work together to fix problems. Flowcharts are excellent training tools. They help new employees or students understand processes quickly by showing each step visually. Trainers can use flowcharts to explain procedures, answer questions, and make sure everyone is on the same page. This leads to faster learning and fewer mistakes. Project managers use flowcharts to plan and track progress. By laying out each step, they can see what needs to be done, who is responsible, and how tasks are connected. This helps keep projects on schedule and ensures nothing is overlooked. Flowcharts are a great way to document processes. They provide a clear, visual record that can be referred to later. This is especially useful for complex procedures or when training new team members. Good documentation helps maintain consistency and quality over time. Quality control teams use flowcharts to standardize procedures and ensure every step is followed correctly. By mapping out the process, they can spot errors or inconsistencies and make improvements as needed. This leads to higher quality products and services. In software development, flowcharts help programmers design algorithms and understand how data moves through a system. They make it easier to spot bugs, optimize code, and communicate ideas with other team members. Flowcharts are an essential part of the software design process. Manufacturing processes often rely on flowcharts to ensure efficiency and consistency. By mapping out each step, teams can identify bottlenecks, reduce waste, and improve productivity. Flowcharts also help train new workers and maintain high standards. Healthcare professionals use flowcharts to outline treatment protocols, patient care procedures, and emergency response plans. These visual guides help ensure that every step is followed correctly, leading to better patient outcomes and safer care. Teachers use flowcharts to explain complex ideas and help students visualize processes. Flowcharts can break down difficult topics into manageable steps, making learning more engaging and effective. They're also useful for planning lessons and tracking student progress. Customer service teams use flowcharts to guide interactions with clients. By following a clear process, representatives can handle issues more efficiently and provide consistent service. Flowcharts also help train new staff and ensure everyone follows best practices. In finance, flowcharts are used to map out approval processes, track transactions, and ensure compliance with regulations. They help teams understand how money moves through an organization and identify areas for improvement. Marketing teams use flowcharts to plan campaigns, track leads, and manage content creation. By visualizing each step, they can coordinate efforts, measure results, and adjust strategies as needed. Flowcharts keep everyone aligned and focused on shared goals. Flowcharts aren't just for business, they can help in everyday life too. You can use them to plan events, organize chores, or make decisions. By mapping out your options, you can see the best path forward and stay organized. Processes change over time, so it's important to update your flowcharts regularly. Review them whenever procedures change or new information becomes available. Keeping your flowcharts current ensures they remain useful and accurate. Sharing flowcharts with your team or organization is easy. You can print them, email them, or share them online. Make sure everyone who needs the information has access to the latest version. Clear communication helps everyone stay on the same page. Flowcharts are often used as the foundation for automating processes. By clearly defining each step, you can identify which tasks can be automated and how they should be connected. Automation saves time, reduces errors, and increases efficiency. Many industries use flowcharts to ensure compliance with laws and regulations. By documenting every step, organizations can prove they're following required procedures. This helps avoid legal issues and maintain high standards. Auditors use flowcharts to review processes and identify risks. By mapping out each step, they can spot weaknesses or areas where controls are lacking. This helps organizations improve their procedures and reduce the risk of errors or fraud. Researchers use flowcharts to plan experiments, track data collection, and analyze results. Flowcharts help ensure that every step is followed and that nothing is overlooked. This leads to more reliable and reproducible research outcomes. Flowcharts are great tools for making decisions. By laying out all the options and possible outcomes, you can see the consequences of each choice. This makes it easier to make informed, confident decisions in both personal and professional life. In summary, flowcharts are powerful tools for visualizing, understanding, and improving processes. They make complex tasks easier to manage, promote clear communication, and help teams work more efficiently. Whether you're solving problems, training others, or planning projects, flowcharts can make a big difference. By mastering the basics of flowcharting, you'll be better equipped to tackle any challenge that comes your way.